What's up, everybody? This is Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems, and today we're going to go over another ClickUp API endpoint for this ClickUp API series of tutorials. And so the goal here is to get you familiar with these API endpoints. If you're just starting developing or you're just starting to look at the ClickUp API, I've done pretty extensive amount of development integrating ClickUp API with other systems. And so I felt like the information wasn't out there. That's why I've made these videos. Reach out to me if you need some development help. Also like and subscribe for more notifications for content that's coming up. And we'll be going over the shared hierarchy API endpoint, which will enable us to see a view of the members of a particular list and folders and tasks and who has access to what. So let's look at it now. So we're in the API documentation and we'll go to shared hierarchy. So within shared hierarchy, you'll get some information here, and you can see shared lists and folders, shared folders. And the way to implement this API call, it's very straightforward and not too complex, but I still wanted to cover it because I'm covering all the API endpoints. Is you can click a list, you can get the list ID, and you can go and you'll want to actually not get the list ID. That was a prior video, apologies. You'll want to get the team ID. Paste the team ID in here right after team / and then it'll return these empty arrays. But again, we can look at what would be returned in the actual response examples when the ClickUp API documentation. So that is pretty much it for that endpoint. Very short and sweet. And look at the other videos if you need some help with those. Have a good one.